Children, myself Vishwanath from Pearl Public School. I am your English teacher. Today I am going to start the first lesson in English, that is, who did Patrick's homework. When the homework comes, all students don't like it as they are getting bored to do homework, but it is necessary to do homework to get good result in your exams, to learn the things. As you think about homework, the child in the lesson who is called as Patrick also hated doing homework. He never did homework. He was warned by his teachers. His teacher used to scold him, Patrick, if you don't do your homework, you'll get bad result. You're going to learn nothing. Though they warned, he did not do his homework. In the place of doing homework, in the time of doing homework, he was playing. He was playing some games like hockey, basketball, and Nintendo. Nintendo was a kind of game, like a video game. This is how Patrick was spending his days without doing homework, without learning anything. Is that good? No, never. It is not going to be good. So, he has to learn, many things. He has to do his homework. But he was not doing. So the story tells that how Patrick was and how Patrick changed. When he was not doing homework, instead of playing, he was getting blames from his parents and teachers. But he never minded. One day, when he was doing something in his room, his cat was playing with a doll. That doll was moving. Very small doll, tiniest doll. He grabbed it away from the cat. He grabbed the toy doll from the cat, away from the cat. For his surprise, it was not a doll, but it was a tiniest man. He thought it was a doll, but it was not a doll, it was a man. But his size was very small, the tiniest man. That tiny man wore woolen shirt and old-fashioned breeches. Breeches are the trousers. Trousers means the pant. His trousers was old-fashioned. Then that tiny man even spoke. He was shouting, screaming. What he was screaming? Help me from this cat. Don't give me back to that cat. Please save me from that cat. If you save me from that cat, I am going to give you a grant, a wish. I am going to grant you a wish. He said. The Patrick was very happy as he is going to get solution for all his problems. His problem was that is homework. So he wanted to get the tiny man. He wanted to get the help from the tiny man. So he saved him from the cat. And then he asked the tiny man to do his homework for whole semester. End of the semester he can go. So it was about 35 days to end that semester. So for 35 days the tiny man has to do Patrick's homework. It was the deal between Patrick and the tiniest man, because Patrick saved the tiny man, small elf. So he had given him a wish. So he has to do now. But when Patrick asked elf to do homework, his face, the small man, he made his face with wrinkles. He got some wrinkles because he squeezed his face, and he started looking like dishcloth, which we are using in the kitchens to clean the things, to clean the dishes. He looked like dishcloth which was thrown in the hamper, in the dustbin, because he too, the tiniest man too, didn't like doing homework. But what to do? Patrick saved him from the cat. Now he has to do it. Then they started working together. Whenever the small man start to do homework, he used to call Patrick again and again. He became trouble for Patrick, because all the time when he sit for the homework, he called Patrick again and again, because he wanted to know the meanings of the words. Then he asked the Patrick to find out the meanings in the dictionaries, and he also didn't know about history. It was like mystery for small man, tiny man. So in that he was getting help from Patrick. He made Patrick to read and give solutions for him to do homework. Even in maths, subtraction, addition, multiplication, everything was strange for small man, elf. So he asked the Patrick to help him. He made him to do more work. Then Patrick stayed late nights. He spent late nights to help this tiny man to do homework. But actually, he was not doing anything. The small man was not doing anything. Patrick was going to school with puffed eyes, with red eyes, without sleep. But he was working harder than before. Late night also he was studying, just to help elf, the tiniest man. So when he was learning all these things, when he was working harder and harder, he was changing himself. The last day of that semester came, and that day the tiniest man escaped very secretly from the back door. He went away, because as he promised that he would do his Patrick's homework for the end of the semester, he did. So he went, and the last day Patrick was surprised because he got good result. He got A grades. His teachers smiled at him. They praised him. His friends were amazed how he got A grades Why? Because earlier he was not doing any homeworks. He was just playing. And Patrick's parents were very happy. It was wonder for them. Their son was not doing homework at all, but now how he got A's. You know how? I think you got my point. Here, when Patrick started helping the tiniest man to do his homework, to do Patrick's homework, he was studying. He referred all the books to help that tiniest man. But indirectly, he was learning all the things, all his subjects. So that helped him to get A grades in the exams. So by these students, we can understand if we do hard work, we definitely get good result. It is not only in the school, in your home also. If you do a work promptly, if you do work with, with a dedication, you will get a good result. Patrick did not get only A's, he also learned to keep his room clean, to do his works himself. He also helped the family in their work. He did not scold anyone. He was not rude to anyone. So all these things he learned, and he was praised by all. He was loved by all. You also can do that. Keep everything clean. Keep your room neat. Do your work in time. Help your mother, father in their works if possible. Be friendly with your friends. By this, you can be a good person. A good person always admired. Will you be a good person? I hope you will. Read the lesson one more time in textbook and get back to me if any doubts.